What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Voice Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Today we are going to be making Copycat Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supremes.
So we're gonna start our taco meat. So we actually went with the seasoned ground turkey because it was actually cheaper. So we went and did that, but if we were to season it on our own, we would just add a little bit of cumin, probably some Tony's because you know how much we love that, garlic powder, and then if we wanted a little bit spicy, just a little bit of cayenne, but that's how we would season it. So we're just gonna cook that down, make sure that it's all evenly brown.
Your face. Do you want to help? Like this.
Can you help mix it? Mix it, mix it.
Ready?
Oh, good mixing. Does that look yummy, dude? Ray. Hey.
Ray Bear.
Does that look yummy?
We're just about ready to build our crunch wraps, so we're gonna slice up some tomatoes and then start building. All right, guys, we are just getting started building our crunch wrap. So we heated up the tortilla for about 10 seconds just to make sure that it would be foldable. So we're gonna start off with a little bit of meat.
Grab the tostada.
You wanna make sure not to, are you snacking on this tostada? You wanna make sure not to overstuff the crunch wrap. So we're gonna do meat, then a little bit of shredded cheese. If you have the nacho cheese or wanna do the melted nacho cheese, you totally can. We're next going to do the tostada. We're gonna spread some sour cream on that. You can do as much or as little as you like. Yeah, you wanna help? After that, we are going to do some shredded lettuce, followed by some tomatoes. Yeah, those are your favorite, huh? And then we are going to do one more handful of shredded cheese on top. You want some? Here you go, dude. Alright, so then we are just going to fold the tortilla over. You just want to overlap it a little bit. And then when we go to put this on the stove, we're gonna flip it over and put that seam side down so that'll get sealed just like that.
All right, so the crunch wrap has been on for about 2 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and flip it and look at even the little cheese came out. All right, y'all, we're gonna enjoy our crunch wrap supremes. And pro tip, no shame in my Taco Bell game. Keep all the sauces so we can have it with that.
Thanks for watching.